Hello there. I was just making a list of some of the things that I need to buy. Have you noticed every day we are using a variety of goods? We are also making use of different services. Now, what are these goods and services that we are talking about? And what is the difference between goods and services? Today, we are going to learn about these two basic terms in economics, goods and services. But first of all, let us go shopping. My list is ready. First of all, I went to an outlet selling ready-made garments. Then I went to a cafe to get a nice cup of coffee for me. I also made use of some public transportation to travel to another place. I visited a doctor and got some medicine. Visited a supermarket to get some fresh fruits. Then I went to a bakery to buy a birthday cake. Finally, I went to a salon for a haircut. During my outing, I have purchased some goods and also used some services. Can you tell how many goods I have purchased? What are goods? Goods refer to tangible items that can be used, stored, taken home, or consumed. Some of the examples of goods are food items, clothing, notebook, pen, medicines, etc. What are services? Services are intangible in nature. Services are tasks performed for the benefit of the recipients. Some of the examples of services are services rendered by doctors, teachers, hairdressers, restaurant, etc. Now we will do an activity to clearly understand the difference between goods and services. Let's play a sorting game. Here are some cutouts representing the goods that I've purchased and services that I've used. Here is a basket for goods and another basket for services. First thing that I purchased was a t-shirt. T-shirt is tangible, something that I can feel and touch. I could also carry the t-shirt along with me. So, is it a good or a service? It is definitely a good. What about coffee? Is it a good or a service? Coffee is a good, something that I can consume, and it satisfies my want. So, it will go into the basket of goods. What about public transportation like taxis and buses? As a passenger, I do not own the vehicle, but I can simply use the service that they are providing and pay for it. I cannot touch or feel the service, but I can make use of it. So public transportation is a service. While traveling in the taxi, I saw a car wash. Now the job done in the car wash, will it be in the category of goods or service? Car wash is performing a task for his customer, so it is not a good, it is definitely a service. I had an appointment with the doctor, so I visited her clinic. Doctors provide their services to patient. We cannot touch or feel the expertise of a doctor, but we can benefit from it. So this cutout will go into the basket of services. The doctor prescribes some medicines which I purchased from the pharmacy. So medicine is something which will be in the category of goods, something that I can buy and bring along with me. Now what about fruits and vegetable? I went to the supermarket and bought some bananas. I made a payment for the banana and I could carry it along with me. Again, bananas are tangible, so it will be in the basket of goods. All fruits and vegetables are tangible, just like this apple. So this apple will also be included in the basket of goods. I also went to a bakery to purchase a birthday cake for my friend. Cakes are baked and sold in the bakery for its customers. These are tangible items, something that I can buy by making a payment for it. So cake will be also included in the basket of goods. My final visit was to a salon for a haircut. The hairdresser was performing a task for me and I made a payment for it. So the task performed by the hairdresser will be included in the category of services. Points to remember. A good is a physical commodity. It is tangible, something that we can touch and feel. Goods can be manufactured, stored, and transported. Many goods are manufactured in the factories. Many food items are cultivated in agricultural fields. Transfer of ownership is possible in case of goods. When a commodity is sold in the market, the ownership is transferred from the seller to the buyer. On the other hand, a service is a process or activity. It is intangible. A service cannot be manufactured, stored, and transported. It is also not possible to transfer the ownership of a service. Please hit the like button if you find the video useful. Stay tuned to my channel In-Depth Economics if you're interested in learning various concepts of economics in a whole new way. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye-bye.